camera shy.
Dash? Really? Why are you all hunky? This is the laundry. What? Uh-huh. That's the laundry. What about it? We're gonna put it away. No, Sawyer. We're gonna put it away.
You're arching your back.
What was that like little like hunchback move? What? Hands up. Hands up. Sorry, hands up. This one, the bathing suit? Are you naked? You don't have shorts? Is that what you want shorts on? Do you want to put shorts on?
Are those your new clothes? Is that why?
Yes. Careful. Careful. Oh, goodness. There goes that side. There's nothing stopping you now. Where are you going?
Yes.
She's very serious about
I know. What are you trying to tell us?
it. We don't speak.
We don't speak freaky deaky baby.
Careful.
Whoa, whoa. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. It goes around and around. Okay. One word.
Yeah. You don't have to jump that high because it's the... She has to twist it up. No, those are... I just folded those. I just folded them. Are you telling? Yeah, it's broken. We really need to get a new one. Bless you. Bless you.